Hello everyone. In this series of Node-RED training, we are going to have a look at a certain node called template out of dashboard palette. As you might be aware, there are two different types of dashboards. Dashboard version 1, but this dashboard is no longer maintained. So we are going to start using dashboard version 2. In order to install this palette, you can simply read through this instruction or go to your Node-RED and manage palette and go to the install tab and look for FlowFuse Node-RED dashboard and install it. I already have my Node-RED dashboard version 2 installed, and what we are interested in is this template. This template allows us to control the UI using HTML and CSS. What we are going to do is to have a look at how we can write the HTML and CSS for this template and how we can create our own UI user interface from scratch. In order to do that, I need to create a group and a tab so I can observe what I'm going to have. I'm going to use my page 1 as my tab, and the group is called group name, which is fine for now. I can deploy, and at the moment you can see there are some code inside this template. Let's have a look at what it is. If I go to this drop down, I can go to dashboard version 2 and I can use this button to open my user interface page. Here we can see there is my tab called page 1, a group called group name, and some content as well as a button. That button increase these two numbers. So if I click on increment, it increments that number. And if I simply refresh this page, it returns back to 0. Now if I head back here to my Node-RED editor, open the template and delete the entire content and paste this. Don't worry, I'll leave that code for you so you can actually use it. Done, and deploy. I can go to my page. Here we can see a nice UI created. First, we do have that page 1 and group name, but what we created is the content inside this page. So we do have some titles and 4 different sections: temperature, pressure, cycle time, orders, and whether this is online or not. And everything here at the moment is disabled, but what we are going to achieve is to get the data and push it inside the Node-RED template so we can actually see and observe some of these content to turn to different colors, or get a number to show us a value so we can monitor it. For the next episode, we will collect live data using message.payload, so this panel updates in real time. Thank you for watching this video.